How to use mind over matter to supersize your business. Mind over matter is, of course, an alliteration and a pretty famous saying. And what does it mean? Our mind is our thinking, our thoughts, our willpower. Matter is our physical object or troubles or obstacles or challenges or situations. And this expression has been with us for a very, very long time, meaning us humans. It was first used in the play The Aeneid, I don't even know how to spell it. A-E-I, no, that's not right. A-E-N-E-I-D, Aeneid, by the playwright Virgil, who was born in 70 BC. He was born, that's right, he was born in 70 BC. So it's been with us for a long time, for thousands and thousands of years. And any expression or saying that's been with mankind or humankind for thousands of years has obviously been ingrained in our beings and has become something that we just automatically think about or feel or know, even if we don't realize we are doing it at a conscious level. Mind over matter. Mind over matter means that whatever we want to create in our businesses, in our lives, starts out first as an idea, a thought, an inkling, or of something we want to create. And in order to create that, we add action to it. And that is how we create everything that we create in the universe. Everything that we've ever wanted, everything that you've ever wanted, started out as an idea or a thought, and then you took action to create that in your life. Think of any goal, any objective. Got your own business, obviously that started out as an idea. You weren't born thinking, I'm going to own my own business someday. You decided that along the way, based on your experiences, based on your thoughts, based on your feelings, based on things that had happened to you that impacted you, that gave you the idea, I want to have my own business someday. Maybe you lost a job like me and you're like, okay, I'm sick of losing my jobs. I'm sick of being let go because of changes in the environment or changes in the world. I want to control my own destiny. I'm going to start my own business. That's a thought and idea. And then I took actions and steps to make that a reality. And we do that with absolutely everything we want and achieve. Mind over matter is the most powerful, maybe not the most powerful, but I'm going to say it's one of the most powerful universal laws and principles that affect all of us, whether we believe it or not. I didn't necessarily believe in mind over matter or thoughts. I mean, I knew it and I kind of believed it, but several years ago, almost a decade ago now, I had a sudden cardiac arrest and died. And I'm sitting here talking to you today, partially because of mind over matter and thoughts and willpower. And partially because I was in that situation that I had the sudden cardiac arrest in the first place as a huge example of mind over matter. Mind can work in positive ways to change our life, and it can work in negative ways to change our life. We get what we focus on most of the time. We create what we focus on most of the time. So if we want to create an amazing, fantastic, incredible business that changes the lives of millions of people and positively impacts the world, that's what we need to focus on creating. Not all the little problems and obstacles along the way, but on the big picture vision of what it is we want to create. If we want to have perfect health and a healthy, active lifestyle, we focus on the outcome of what we want, that healthy, active lifestyle, and we take the steps and we create the habits and we do the things every day that will ensure that that is what we live, that's what we experience. So how are you using and how can you use mind over matter in your organization and in your business to supersize and help it grow? Number one, as the leader of that organization or a leader in that organization, make sure that you're creating the vision, painting the picture of where it is that you want the organization to go, the big vision of what you want that organization to be, so that everyone in that organization, if you're not doing it alone, if you're doing it alone, you need it just as much as if you've got 1,000 or 10,000 or 80,000 or 100,000 employees. Everybody needs to be aligned with what that vision is. They need to have and understand and know and buy into that vision and understand what their part of contributing to that vision is. So whether they're the janitor cleaning the bathrooms that supports the other people that are creating the vision of that company, whether they're the cafeteria staff feeding the people that the rest of the people in the organization, every piece of that is important to achieving that end vision. And each person in the organization needs to understand and feel that and know that they are important and valued and an important piece of achieving that overall vision for the organization. And if that's just you and you're doing all the jobs and wearing all the hats, you have to really love and understand and be bought into why and what that vision is for you. So providing the vision for people and making sure that they understand and are appreciated for the part they play in creating the end results that you want as an organization, or as as an individual. Maybe you're just a solopreneur and you have one or two virtual assistants working for you. They still need to understand what the big vision is and be bought into their role in helping that to become a reality. Know that everything that's in this universe today, everything that's already been created and will continue to be created, begins first in the mind or the imagination of someone. Everything that exists began as a thought. This coffee cup, the Pillsbury Doughboy that's sitting by me, so you see that a lot. Everything, this sweater, my pen, my magnifying glass, it all began as an idea, a thought, and then somebody acted upon that thought, and this product or this service is now a reality. So we're doing the same things in our businesses. How can you use knowing that mind over matter is what creates everything? How can you use that to create things for your customers that meet their needs and provide them solutions to their problems better than they even thought possible? How can you use coming up with and understanding them better to create products and services that serve them so well they feel like you're in their mind, because you're creating the matter, the physical things that they need, the products and services to solve the problems that they're stressing out or straining out or worrying about. And that is probably one of the best ways you can contribute to making the world a better place, is helping people solve problems that they otherwise would struggle with having solutions for. That's it. Go out, make it an awesome day, because if you believe it's going to be an awesome day, it will be an awesome day. That is mind over matter. Bye.